I'm scared.
Next question.
Okay, next question. That's for you, I guess.
For me.
How this makeup thing came to your mind? By the way, I love watching your
Makeup
these
thing.
makeup videos.
And my
Summary
bachpan
kind
se,
of summary
no,
kind
I
of thing.
used to love makeup since I was a kid. Okay, so then I grew up and I like lost interest in makeup. Then I saw my friend, my best friend, doing means applying makeup, and she used to look so beautiful. Like slowly I was attracted towards makeup and I started applying makeup. So I watched the beauty influencer like Camila and Kaushal Beauty, Malvika, Kristen Dominic. I watched their videos and I have started learning how to apply makeup because I always have loved makeup. So then I used to apply and practice and do fun videos, and then I thought of why not start
Starting
a
age.
yeah. So
I actually practiced my little knowledge on them during our childhood.
you used to?
Yeah,
When?
you weren't there actually. I
Yeah.
have practiced on her younger sister Issa Didi.
Isha.
I have done her hairstyles and I have made many blunders.
Then
She was like she's going to kill me. For the next few minutes, I was like, what to do?
they both used to always have fights. Let me tell you one thing. They both used to always fight, and Isha used to shout at him, and then he used to cry. And if I was there in home, I
She
used
was
to
actually
stay,
my my hostel.
During the vacations when I used to come to home, then if there will be any fight, he will be like crying, and he will come running towards me like Gudu Didi. I used to call him Nobita. I used to call him Nobita, and I used to call myself Doraemon and Isha Jian.
Jian. But I sing like Jian.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. What is the best skincare routine?
Just wash your face and then apply the Dabur Gulabari rose water
Rose water.
as a
Gulab
toner.
Jal, gulab jal.
Gulab gel as a toner.
Jal.
And then apply the aloe vera gel. That's it. Under budget skincare routine. Or else you can also, I will be linking my skincare routine somewhere here or in the description box. You can go and check that out.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. What are the
What the?
Why, Laddu? She wants to come in the focus because she's so overwhelmed with all that praises that
Audience are
she
loving
go-
her. So that's the reason she's like so excited to do. I will be doing one more video with her. You want to do one more video with me?
Yeah, sure, why not? Hi there.
What are the similarities and differences that you guys share?
Similarities. Bollywood.
Bollywood, yeah.
Yeah.
I love Bollywood. And
We when we were kids, we used to like dance every hook steps of every like famous Bollywood songs.
and her home was like a cinema hall for me. So I always went to her home. Like I was always in her home. I
Yeah, he used to come when
After breakfast.
Yeah, after breakfast, he used to be.
Then I went to my home during lunch. Then I came.
Lunch also used to do in our home only. Yeah, and then if his parents would go market for shopping, he will not go with his parents also. He will just be no. We नहीं जाए, we नहीं जाए. तुम्हें जाओ, मुई नहीं जाए ना. And he will be staying in our home only. So what? So we used to dance on the
Why are you
famous
here?
Bollywood Laddu.
We get irritated from her. That is a similarity also.
Yes. So so we used to to dance on every famous Bollywood songs, starting from Race.
Race सांसों की.
And also that's the only thing I love about us is we can still you play any song and we are ready to groove on that song on the spot.
And differences is that
What?
what?
Differences?
Are you going to do anything more with me?
No,
Are you
nothing
feeling
more. You are
like-
done. What do you want to apply some lipstick also?
You have that nude shades, right?
I want to apply the liner thing.
Liner.
Yeah, I will apply the liner. You want some more makeup now? I want to apply liner.
But I wanted that nude shade of lipstick.
No, I don't have any nude shade of lipstick.
Seriously.
Get on to the next question.
Okay. How irritating is it to handle tantrums of your sister? So it is for me, I guess.
Yeah, obviously.
Oh yeah. So you apply. I'll be thinking about it. Tantrums.
खोलने का
Oh,
मतलब
sorry.
कैसे लोगे भी?
Okay, tantrums like you can't
I'm
say
the only kind
tantrum.
of I'm the only kind of girl जो ज़्यादा नखरेबाज. My friends are going to laugh at me. Right?
You can't say tantrum, but yeah, to be honest, if we can name it as mood swings or
Yeah, I do have mood swings a lot.
so staying with her has actually made me resistant to that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I open
हो
my
गया.
eyes?
हाँ.
Can I see myself?
You have mirror.
Oh my god. Why I look like
Next question.
your best memories?
Our best memories.
Our best memory is like every time we spend time together, it's like a memory for us.
I
Or,
remember one.
let me say, during our childhood when we had Diwali, in
We
front
used
of,
to have Rangoli competition
yeah,
actually.
I was helping my mother in making rangoli now.
And
So
since last 2 years, he is celebrating Diwali with us.
yes, I'm celebrating Diwali with them. Her home in BBSR for me is like a home far from home.
Yeah.
So yeah, so in our childhood we used to do rangoli competition between us. Like, आपका रंगोली कैसा हुआ है?
Yeah.
नहीं,
We used to
मेरा
go
अच्छा
each
हुआ
other's
है.
house and see and judge each other's rangolis. I was saying that cycle incident.
Which one?
That you were like that was the most funniest moment. I was
That
in ninth
exact-
and they were, I don't know, so I was like sitting just outside of my house and we used to have
Baranda.
Varanda. And he was riding his bicycle. Okay, so he used to be very thin at the time, and my sister used to be a little overweight. So he was riding his bicycle, and my sister told him that, okay, let me sit in the back of your seat and you ride the bicycle. So she went and sat in the back of his
Cycle.
she
seat.
went and she went and sat in the back of his seat and he started riding and he couldn't balance the
Actually,
cycle.
yeah.
He
It
was
went-
unable to balance the cycle and they like
We are like going to Swarg. I had that few seconds of feeling.
that cycle got tilted and like this. Like this, and Isha
Projectile motion.
and Isha fell down and this person, he is not letting go of the handle. He's like holding the handle and he's like
I
the
got
cycle is
actually
like
I was blank.
he was blank, like in the cycle turned like this and he's like still holding the cycles
I
handle.
was actually learning cycle that time actually.
Yeah.
I was in class 3. Yeah.
Class 3?
Class 3 or 4. Yeah, I remember.
You was in class 3 or 4 when I was in class 9th.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So next one is for you.
What?
Which cartoon character suits Bittu?
I already answered that question. I used to call him Nobita, and till that I used to call him Nobita only. His face and Nobita's face matches really well.
When I'll wear glasses, you
Yeah.
can relate.
Yeah, he exactly looks like Nobita to me.
But I feel I'm like Shinchan.
No, not like
That
Shinchan.
fun
He is
loving-
like No, he is overweight now, but when he used to be really thin, he used to look exactly like Nobita. And especially when he used to cry and come running towards me.
Okay, so next question is, what's the most funniest name you gave to Bittu?
Nothing.
So yeah, I want to say that we are so overwhelmed with all your response to the Insta story that we have given for asking us the question.
Yeah. Thank you, each one of you, for asking us all those funny little questions that
It's
we were
like
able to
you guys are
answer.
also putting some efforts
Yes,
for making a
yes.
content for her.
Yes, that's why thank you so much for asking us the questions, for putting your extra little effort for me to be able to make this content a little bit fun. And that was it for this video. If you had fun watching us together, and if you want us to make some more
More
fun
videos.
videos, then please let us know in the comment section below. And
Why are my eyes looking so nashili aankhein? Isn't it?
please end the video now. You don't, if you want to say something, then please.
So I want to say that do follow her on Instagram, and me also. You can follow on Instagram. And
Yeah, I will be leaving the
handle.
Instagram handle name in the description box below.
So yeah, you can see the final look. That is so funny.
It looks ashy because that's not matching your exact skin tone.
No, I kind of like the makeup. Something that I want to say right now, I got actually, I
Yeah.
remembered it now. That for those, I know after these videos, I may be get teased by many people, many of my
Oh,
circle,
yeah.
like you are a man and you are applying makeup and all kind of things.
Dude, it's 2021, and in 2021, if you are still believing in all that kind of, then
See,
God bless you.
For men, applying makeup is not a new thing or anything. Like from many years, you are watching movies and all kind of things. So it's not that all your favorite actors are coming bareface without any makeup and they are doing something in front of the camera. Like it's the basic makeup that everyone does.
There's nothing to feel embarrassed about.
Like you don't feel doing makeup, then
Then
that's
that's
your
okay,
choice.
it's your
It's your
choice.
choice.
But
If
you
someone
can't-
like
Yes.
doing makeup, then that's
Don't
also okay.
insult that other person, or don't make him feel bad about choosing makeup.
Makeup is nothing, but it's a sone pe suhaga. Like you have
You
got
just-
something.
yeah.
And you are just
You're just enhancing it.
that.
That's the only motive of my channel.
Enhance.
You just enhance your natural beauty by applying some products. It's not about just like boys, it's also about, I'm talking about girls as well. If someone feels like wearing makeup, let that person wear makeup. Don't just वो क्या होता है, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड को मेकअप पसंद नहीं है तो इसलिए मैं मेकअप नहीं पहन. डोंट डू ऑल दैट शिट यार.
तुम्हें पसंद है तो तुम्हें पसंद है.
Yeah.
किसी को पसंद आए ना आए, भाड़ में जाए.
If you feel like wearing makeup, if you feel confident wearing makeup, then you put on makeup. Doesn't matter who insults you or who
If you
teases
can't keep yourself on the top priority for yourself,
Yeah.
then who would keep?
Yeah. we should come back.
We'll
We
do
will
a
come,
motivational video.
later on. We will do another video talking about all this. So that is it for today's videos. And if you are new here, then please go subscribe to my channel if
And
you have
hit
not
that
yet.
bell icon.
Yeah, and if you loved watching us together and had fun watching this video, then please like hit the like button and share the link
Leave a comment.
and share the
How?
link with your friends if you want them to watch. And that is it for today. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.